In this session, we will discuss about excitation table. We have discussed different types of flip-flops. For SR flip-flop, this is the truth table. For S and R inputs, if the inputs are 0 and 0 respectively, the output will be no change. That is, previous state will be continuing in the present state. And for S equal to 0 and R equal to 1, the output will be 0. That is, if S equal to 0, output will be 0. And third input condition, if S equal to 1 and R equal to 0, output will be 1. And for last condition, if both inputs are 1, the output is invalid. So this is the last condition, S equal to 1, R equal to 1. This is the disadvantage of SR flip-flop. So this is the truth table of SR flip-flop. Moving on to the excitation table. Excitation table means for the output, present state and next state will be given. For that condition, what all inputs can come, that is excitation table. For example, the first condition, if present state q equal to 0 and next state q equal to 0, that is present state is 0, next state 0, that is output is same for both the conditions, both the output conditions. So for this particular condition, what all inputs can come? So we have seen here means, if present state is for S and R equal to 0, the output will continue, same output will continue. That condition can be taken, that is present state is 0, next state is 0, output. So first condition can be taken for this excitation table. And what any other input condition can come for this particular output? Say the second one, if S equal to 0 and R equal to 1, then output will be 0. So that also two conditions will be coming for this desired particular output conditions. So we can see this S equal to 0, R equal to 0, first input condition, and second input condition is S equal to 0 and R equal to 1. So in here we can see for both the input conditions, S is 0, and for R, for first condition it is 0 and next condition it is 1. So R is changing, S is not changing. So we can say that 0x, 0 don't care, S is not changing, so we can take S as 0. And R is changing, for first input condition R is 0 and next input condition R is 1, so we can take it as X. Okay, so first here in excitation table, for the first condition, present state 0 and next state 0, we can take 0x, 0 don't care. Okay, and similarly for second condition, present state 0 and next state 1. Okay, for that what all inputs can come for getting this desired output? We can say we can see here next state to be 1, we can see for only this condition, S equal to 1 and R equal to 0. Okay, uh, so we can take that one, S equal to 1 and R equal to 0. No other input condition is matching for this particular output condition. Okay, so we can take 1 0. Okay, see the third condition, for the present state 1 and next state 0. Okay, for that what all input conditions can come? We can, by seeing the truth table, we can see that the second truth table, the second one, S equal to 0 and R equal to 1, that can be taken. No other input conditions are matching for to this particular excitation. Okay, so we take 0 1. Okay, finally for 1 1 outputs, present state 1 and next state 1, what all inputs can come? Okay, first condition we can take 0 0. For 0 0, if present state is 1, next state also will be 1, that is no change in the output. So first condition one can be taken, and this third condition also can be taken. For this also output is 1. Okay, So we can take first condition and third condition. Here s equal to 0 and s equal to 1. So s is changing. So we can take is x, don't care. Okay. And see, for about r, what about r? R is 0 here, r is 0 here. So r is common, that is 0. So this is the excitation table of SR flip-flop. Like that, for JK flip-flop also, we can see the excitation table. So here JK flip-flop, this is a truth table for JK flip-flop. For 0, 0 inputs, no change. When J equal to 0 and K equal to 1, output is 0. And J equal to 1 and K equal to 0, output is 1. So first three conditions is same as of SR flip-flop. Only difference is for 1, 1. For 1, 1 inputs, the output will be toggling. That is QN bar. Okay. So we have seen that in SR flip-flop for 1, 1 inputs, output is invalid. That disadvantage is overcome by JK flip-flop. First three input conditions are same. Only difference is 1, 1 condition. That is output will toggle. Okay. So moving to excitation table. In excitation table, we have seen that first two columns shows the outputs. According to the output, what all input conditions can come, that is excitation table. Okay. So here first column is present state, second column is next state. For this desired output conditions, what all input can come, that is excitation table. Okay. So if we can see the first condition, if present state is 0 and next state is 0, what all input conditions can come. So we can see that first condition in the truth table 0, 0. If present state is so if j equal to 0 and k equal to 0, if our present output is 0, next state also output will be 0. Okay. So we can say j equal to 0 and k equal to 0. And which is the other one? If j equal to 0 and k equal to 1, that also can be taken for the output to become 0. Okay, so we can see j is common, that is 0. K is different. In first condition, k equal to 0, and second condition, k equal to 1. So we can take it as x, don't care, for k, and 0 for j. Okay, so we can take 0 for j and k for don't care. Okay. And similarly for second condition, if present state is 0 and next state to be 1. Okay. What can be taken? That is output should be 1. Next state output should be 1. So we can take as 1, 0. Okay. 1, 0 can be taken, and fourth condition also can be taken. 1, 1 condition. For these two conditions, we will get the prescribed output. So j equal to 1 and k is different for each condition. 0 here and 1 here. So we can take don't care x. Okay. So we took 1 x. Okay. Similarly for 1, 0 we got x1, and 1, 1 condition for we got x0. Okay. Similarly for D flip-flop, D stands for data. There are two conditions in the truth table. When D equal to 0, output will be 0. If D equal to 1, output will be 1. By using this truth table, we can make the excitation table. If D in the excitation table, we have to, if present state is 0 and next state 0, what will be the input condition to matching this particular output condition, that is 0. If D is 0, then only the output will come as 0. Okay, like that. Second condition 0, 1. If output to become 1, we have to give 1 as input. Like that in third condition 1, 0. 1, 0 condition, we want to give 0. That is present state is next state is 0. To give to become output as 0, we have to give input as 0. Like that. Fourth condition, to become output as 1, we have to give 1 as the input. Moving to T flip-flop. T stands for toggle. There are two input conditions for in the truth table of T flip-flop. If T equal to 0, no change in the output. If T is 1, the output will toggle. this is same last condition of JK flip flop. Okay, in JK flip flop, for 1 inputs, output will toggle. Like that, in T flip flop, if T equal to 1, output will toggle. Okay. In moving to the excitation table, for 0 outputs, what all input can be given? Only one input can be given. Okay, that is T equal to 0. So for next condition 0 1, the output will can be given as 1. Okay, for 1 0 also 1. This second state and third state, if 1 is given, that output will toggle. If present state is 0, next state 1. If present state is 1, next state is 0. That is toggle. Okay, if present state is 1 and next state also is 1, that is output remains the same. For that we can give as 0. For 0 input for T input of flip flop, the output will not change. Okay, so that's all about excitation table of flip flops.